Hello friends, and welcome to Saroj's kitchen. Hope everybody is fine. Today I am yet back in my kitchen trying to make something for tea time snack. And as I have already told you, the suji is one of my favorite ingredient in the kitchen because it comes out so handy and it is an instant. So today I am making an instant suji and mixed vegetables dokla. It comes out very nice, it is tasty yum, and it is very healthy and quick to be made. No need to plan. So here we are going to see the ingredients and follow the recipe. So let us see the ingredients for instant suji and mixed vegetable dokla. I had taken this bowl of suji and added half a bowl of curd to it, and I had mixed it and soaked it well and kept it for 15 minutes to rest. So this is how it is looking after 15 minutes. Uh, it's all, this is how it looks. So I had soaked it and kept it ready for 15 minutes. Then I had taken say some 15 to 20 green peas. I have taken 1 whole tablespoon of cooking oil for tempering, and 1 little teaspoon of it will go into the batter that we make. This is 1 tablespoon of finely chopped capsicum. This is 1 tablespoon of finely chopped carrot. This is 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and along with that I have taken 5 to 6 peppercorns, black peppercorns. Oh. This is salt to taste. This is 1 teaspoon of green chili and ginger paste, and this is half a teaspoon of baking soda. So, and here is a steamer. I have already kept it on gas. I have greased the thali or the dish with oil, and before we start mixing or making the batter, I am going to start the gas for this. So by the time we are ready with the batter, this will be hot enough. Let's make the batter ready. In this suji bowl I am going to add the capsicum, all the vegetables that I have kept ready. Here goes the capsicum, then goes the carrots, the green peas, the ginger and green chili paste, salt to taste, the soft and fennel seeds or peppercorns, and a little of oil. Now I am going to give it a thorough mix. So this is how it is looking now, all ready to go. Only thing, even my dish and the steamer is ready. What I have done is, instead of putting directly the baking soda, what I have done is I have taken a little of hot water from the steamer itself. I will add it to the baking soda so that it dissolves well into it. Just mix it. You can see it's already mixed and dissolved. I'll just keep it for a minute. So this looks dissolved, and I'm going to just add it by itself. The purpose of doing this is that we don't get the soda at one particular place, and it gets dissolved well. So now I'm going to just give it a good mix. A very light but a thorough mix. So I have given it a thorough mix, and it looks very good and fluffy. Instead of using baking soda, you can also use the fruit salt, Eno, and everything seems to be ready. So I'm going to pour this on the dish and keep it for steaming for say around 15 to 20 minutes. So I've kept it on a steamer. That is how it looks colorful. And now I'm going to cover it with a lid and keep it for say 15 to 20 minutes time. So we will check it after 15 to 20 minutes. Let's check the dokla if it is ready. I'll carefully open. It looks good. We'll do the test. I'm just piercing a knife into it. It has come out clean, which means our dokla is ready. I will remove it from the gas and allow it to cool, and then we will do the tempering. With the tempering, I'm going to take the remaining oil that we had kept aside, and I'm going to add to this so I'm going to add to it half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a little more. You can use green chilies, small finely chopped green chilies over it, but since there are kids who are going to have it, I'm not doing that. But if you like it and if your children love it, you can do that too. I'm just putting it a very simple tempering of mustard seeds and some curry leaves. Once it has started tempering, so I'm going to add the curry leaves and put off the gas. I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds over it, and then spread the tempering over this dokla and then cut it into small pieces. So that is how our instant suji and mixed vegetable dokla looks today after the tempering. I have already put the sesame seeds and also going to garnish it with little coriander leaves. So I have garnished it with some coriander leaves. Now only thing left out is to cut it into square or diagonal pieces as we would like to, and serve it hot with green coriander chutney and some ketchup. It is a yummy and delicious healthy tea time snack ready. You can also have it as a side dish with your lunch or dinner. So if you have enjoyed this video, do subscribe to my channel and also on your notification bell so that whenever new video is pushed on, you will get the notification for the same. uh, uh, Also share your feedback and comments, and stay home, stay safe, stay secured, stay healthy. Thank you so much. So now I have cut them into pieces and it looks very soft and tasty, delicious tea time snack or a side dish is ready, and it is very instant. Within 15-20 minutes of soaking or the suji, we have made this dish prepared. It tastes yum, delicious, healthy with all veggies into it. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Do share your comments and feedback. Thank you.